Not one single follow-up email went to the spam folder. Not one single one. Hi, my name is Paul Farmer. In this video, I am going to be talking about a turnkey residual system, as you can see right here on the screen, that makes it really simple for you to start earning high residual commissions, the highest percentage of residual income in the industry in the world, actually. There is nothing else that pays this much in residual income. And all the complicated stuff has been eliminated. So what I want to do, I'm talking about the Home Business Academy. And I've been a member of Home Business Academy for over 4 years. And I want to show you how simple this system is. Now, I'm not going to go into all the amazing products, the support, the value, everything that's provided, how the founders revamped the entire system, how they constantly update it. I'm not going to go into all that. All I want to show you is how simple this turnkey system is and how quickly you could be up and running so you could start getting paid 80% residual commissions. Okay, so I'm in the back office. I'm going to go right here to affiliate, and right away, right here, your turnkey system is ready. Right away. Okay, so here it is. Here's my link. All I do is copy my link, then I just paste my link, and it's done. There it is. There's the system. Now, what's going to happen next is when you share the system with other people, and there's all kinds of different ways to share the system. And I know that's a question that gets asked a lot. There are people everywhere, literally everywhere. I like to use mostly social media. So you could do content and reach outs. That typically works, but there's paid advertising techniques, there's free methods. It's whatever you choose to do. All you got to do is get your system in front of people, and some of those people are going to see the opportunity and they're going to go and want to get started. Now, I want you to understand this because this is extremely important. You saw what I did. I literally just grabbed the link, copy paste. It is done. There's nothing else to do. You have your link. All you do is go share it. So what happens next? Well, someone enters their information, right? You can enter your information, your name, your email, and you can see what happens next. But I'm going to walk you through exactly what happens next. So what happens next is you're going to get an email. Actually, you're going to see a video, and you're going to get an email that's written by Paul Hutchings right here. This video is going to explain the process. It's going to explain why this works so well. And you're going to hopefully you'll have a good understanding that literally there's nothing else for you to do other than share your system. Now, I know what typically happens is people like to complicate things and overthink things, but this system is designed for the beginner in mind. This system is designed for the person that's been struggling to make money online. And the reason it works is because it's not complicated. There is zero setup. The email follow-ups are done for you. They are written by Paul Hutchings, who's a master at copywriting. So you don't have to go and worry about writing emails. You don't have to go and worry about setting things up. There is no setup. You saw what I did. I took the link, I copy and pasted it. I am done. There's nothing else to do. The system is done. Only thing now is feed your system. That's it. Feed your system. Uh, Now, I do want to walk through the sales page just a little bit. But before I do that, I want to talk about the emails because this is really important. There are many automated systems. There are many. What makes this one stand out is the emails are coming from an aged and warmed up domain. So other systems, what they do is they will have the same copy and paste kind of emails. But the problem is they are going out on your domain. They're going out on many different domains. So if the same email is going out over many different domains, like many different people, it's going to get flagged as spam. And then what happens, instead of having an automated system, now you have a system that you think is working for you, but the emails are actually landing in the spam folder. This is very important to understand this because this is huge, okay? This is something that makes your system work. Because if the emails aren't landing in in the inbox and they're going to the spam, the person isn't seeing it. Your leads are not seeing it, so it's not working for you. It's not following up for you, right? So that's really important to understand. That's what's different here. It's on a decade old aged domain that has a good reputation. So the emails go to the spam. Now, also, there's nothing else for you to set up. The emails are coming from one domain. So it's like having one email list, one giant email list, and that's where they're coming from. Only one list. So understanding that, just know, I mean, you don't really need to know a lot about that. Just know that your emails are going to hit the inbox of your leads, and they're going to be followed up with emails that are not just copy and paste emails. These are well thought out, story based emails, like cliffhanger, what do you call it? Soap opera series type emails. So these are very well thought out. Everything is designed to develop a relationship, develop trust. And the thing about the emails is they're not coming from you, they're coming from Paul Hutchings. That's where they're coming from, but they have your link on it. So now you have the founder of the company talking to your leads in email, sharing his story, sharing his expertise, educating the leads, and they go to you when they decide to get started. Okay, so they're going to come into this. There's a book they can read all about the different traps online and how to avoid those traps and how to be able to make more money faster and easier than pretty much anything else. Okay, so there's also down here, this is mentioned in the box, if you have any questions whatsoever, if you're on this page, so let's say you went through this page here, you landed on this page, you saw the video, and you have questions. Now think about this. Not only you can get your questions answered, but your leads are getting their questions answered. And not only that, this will transition and close your leads for you. Not only that, when someone is on the page talking to Sage, who's the chatbot, you get an email letting you know there's someone on the page right now that's engaging and looking over the information. And that's huge. So I'm just going to type something in. What are the products? Because that's a common question. What are the products? And let's just see what happens. Home Biz Academy has three main products that work together. Let's go. So right away, Sage is answering the questions, right? It's a cool. The cool part, you can start with just one product, get all three. Most people go with the 35 starter pack because it unlocks everything and gives you the highest earning potential as an affiliate. Which one sounds most interesting to you? Do you see how Sage is moving the conversation along and moving it towards a closing, right? So this is happening for you 24/7 while you sleep, while you're at the beach, while you're at the movies, while you're at work, while you're doing whatever you're doing. This is happening whenever, okay? 24/7. You have follow-up emails going out and they have the opportunity to come here and ask questions. Your leads do, you do, okay? Now, the next thing I want to show you is, and I'm just going to scroll through this really fast. I'm not going to go through all the products, but I want to show you where you can find more information. If you don't just go to Sage, you can find information right on the page. So there's text. Then we come down here, we have meet the community. Notice that the videos are closed up. So there's not like a lot of extra stuff to look at. It's just right here. If you want to watch it, you click the little box and it opens the box. It's going to talk about the community. You want to know the impact. Well, a percentage of the sales of your commission, they pay 80% commissions. goes to Feed My Starving Children, goes to a charity, Feed My Starving Children. They talk about that in that video. You have the math, how many commissions, and this is up to date, how many commissions have been paid out. You have a list of everything right here, all three different products right here. It shows you two referrals, cash flow. You have some examples of what's possible. Literally everything on here. There's nothing else to be answered truthfully on this page. It answers everything. Here's the Let's Go app. Okay, gold cards, vision board, digital journal. Okay, it's all listed out. Very easy to see. Oh, you want to know more about it? Click here. There's a video that gives you a demo. See how well this is put together? You have the funnel builder. Funnel builder, see how easy it is to build. You come down here, boom, there it is. It's all listed out. Look, build websites, funnels that actually convert, sales pages, landing pages. Okay, so there's that. We come down here to HBA Premium, and it's going to talk about what HBA Premium is. Tools, training, coaching, backed by 6.9 million plus in-member payouts. Tools that automate, training that converts, coaching that actually coaching that actually show up. It works. We've got receipts. And then here's one of the things they added, the Van Gogh AI Image Studio. People absolutely love this. It makes killer images. You don't have to pay extra for it. It's part of it. And then you see all the exclusive tools that come along with the coaching, 5 days a week of coaching, as well with that product. See premium tools in action. You can watch the video. So quite literally, everything you need to know about the products, about the compensation plan, about the turnkey system, everything is here. It's so simple, and it's so leveraged, and it looks great. So quite frankly, it's kind of astonishing to me that anybody would want to pass this up, especially, and I know I'm going to sound a little biased, and I wasn't going to talk about the products, but this thing is amazing. Okay, this Let's Go app is amazing. And that's what you get if you say you start at like 10 bucks, because that's what you could start at. You get the turnkey system, the one I showed you, for 10 bucks is where you could start. Now, there are other products, as you saw, that you could purchase that are going to put you in position to make more money. And that's what I do recommend. I do recommend you position yourself to make the most money because the work is exactly the same. You're going to use the same system. The system's going to go to work. And people that come through that system, some are going to do 10, some are going to go all in and buy all the products. Some are, going to get 2, some are going to get 3, but the system is going to work for you. And you only have to focus on one thing to make the system work for you, and that is get eyeballs, get people back to the system. That's it. That's all you have to do. It couldn't be more simple. And that's the beautiful thing about this. Because, one of the things I see, I've been making money online for 13 plus years. Okay. I've worked with countless people. And one of the things I always see is people getting stuck in the process, right? Getting stuck setting stuff up, overthinking every little tiny thing. Understand this. Even at $10, you can get a turnkey system, pays you 80% residual commissions, and has products that are useful, that are valuable to the marketplace. Like that's huge. This is not just some thrown together crap. These are usable products. In fact, I use these products every single day. I use this app every single day. As I was saying, I believe everybody could benefit from this app. I don't care what you do. If you're a teacher, if you're a salesperson, I don't care what you do. Auto mechanic, lawyer, like it doesn't matter because this app helps you develop habits, helps you develop vision, gratitude. I mean, it walks you through a morning routine where you have exercise and gratitude and vision board. I mean, just everything you need. You got a calendar. They even put in something where it could help you speed read. Like you could add books, you could add PDFs, you could add articles, whatever, and it will help you speed read. This is so useful for 10 bucks. So you're not just getting a system, you're getting useful products that will benefit your life, that will transform your life when you use them. Anyway, that's all I wanted to cover today. I do hope and trust you got value. If you are ready or you just want to learn more, I mean, I pretty much covered everything, but you can go and look at the page and everything. Just go to the link in my description and decide to get started. Like I promise you, you cannot go wrong. Like I said, I've been with this program for over 4 years, almost 5 years. And these guys are amazing. Okay. I've been with other programs, many other programs, and they all fall short when it comes to the support and the value that is provided here. And now they put in a turnkey system. We never had that before. So now it's just so simple for you to be able to go out and share a program that everything is done with integrity, everything is done with we want to add more value so you can make more money faster and easier than ever before. And these guys stand on it. They show up all the time. They are always updating things, making them better. They're what even this turnkey system, they're making it better. Um, they actually, since my last video I made, they have something where it shows where the leads are in the sequence. Are they in the sequence or have they completed? And you can see that now. So just keep in mind, this is the most simple thing ever. Tons and tons of value. I mean, you could be proud to share this with other people. I just don't see any downside of sharing this. I know other programs, like I've been involved in other programs. I'm like, well, the system's pretty cool, but the products kind of suck. So I don't know if I want to share it because, it's really just about the system. No, they had the products first, the value, the support first. Everything's built on principal leadership first. Then they decide to add the turnkey system to make it very simple for you to get started right away without any setup, without any of those complications, so you can start getting sales quickly. And as you go, you can plug into the products, start learning more advanced skills. And, if you want to, be honest with you, you probably don't need to because this system will do the heavy lifting for you. You really only have to learn one thing, and that is getting people to your system, however you want to do it. And it will do the work for you. And you will make commissions, residual commissions, which can free up your time, relieve some financial stress off your life. Because these commissions come in month after month and after month. I'm going to leave you with one story, and I'm going to wrap this up. I know it's getting a little bit long. In 2024, I injured my back really bad. Like I couldn't sit, stand, or walk for like 4 months. God's honest truth. It was miserable. I had to lay on my back literally all day long. I couldn't do anything. I couldn't get up to my desk. Literally, I just couldn't do anything. I could barely even lay. That's how bad it was. I couldn't sit. I couldn't stand. Little by little, I started improving, but it was just agony. But here's the thing. I had built up some residual income with this program, and I kid you not, that residual income kept coming in month after month after month, even though I couldn't do a damn thing. God's honest truth. If that sounds good to you, if you could see the benefit of that, go to the link in the description and decide to get started today. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.